How to change font on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to General, then tap on Fonts. Next, tap on System Fonts. Here you'll see a list of all fonts already installed on your device. Within the Fonts menu, browse through the additional fonts available for download. Select any font you like and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Since iPhones don't allow full system-wide font changes, here's a workaround using accessibility features. Go back to Settings and tap on Accessibility. Scroll down to the Accessories section and select Keyboards and Typing. Tap on it, then find Hover Typing and toggle it on. Once Hover Typing is enabled, look for the Fonts option and tap on it. You'll now be able to choose any font from the available list. Return to the home screen and open any messaging app like iMessage. Start typing anywhere, and your selected font will appear as a hover text above the keyboard. This gives you a live preview of the font while you type. Now your iPhone has a font that matches your personal style.